Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. For Part A, the interface must declare exactly one method. Boolean contains int num. This method specifies the behavior that any number group must provide. For Part B, the range class should implement number group. It needs two instance variables to store the minimum and maximum values. The constructor initializes those values, and the contains method should return true when num. Min and num equals max and false otherwise. For Part C, since multiple groups is also a number group, its contains method should check each number group in group list if any group returns true. For the given number, then the method should immediately return true. If the loop finishes without finding a match, the method returns false. This problem tests interface design, implementing a class. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.